Yo, welcome back to the channel. So guess where we are today? That's right, we're at Ikea. We've got a couple things that we need to pick up for the twins' room, so we're gonna go inside and grab those. So I printed the shopping list today, so I know exactly where I'm going. So headed to aisle 22, get those bookcases. Okay, so we got the Billy bookcases, we got the doors for them. Love these bookcases for that reason. You can put all the kids' toys, books, everything inside, and then shut the doors.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.